Bukana. Please welcome to all solar lights. This beautiful project. Ang Bukana Bridge Project. Here. Hi guys. This is I'm the black woman here. The black magic woman. The black magic woman. Oh, see. Love you all, guys. The Bukana River. I'm going home. I'm walking this road. This brick road, guys. Beautiful brick roads and the beautiful solar lights. It's nice to be here at the road. Working area. Some pots, oh, lots of pots. Hi guys, they're working now. Hi guys, shout out the working boys. Coastal Road. Kisa? Shout out Green Oran. Hello. Ni Russell. Shout out guys. Shout out daw Jumar.
Shout out ko ni Kuya Mandayon. Sa Pakibato District.
Pakibato District.
Shout out Kuan Cirilo.
Oh.
Cabrera. Cirilo Cabrera.
Cirilo Cabrera daw guys. Take care guys. They're working now. Nasi Foreman guys. Oh. Foreman eh. Pintor. Shout out sa pintor.
Shout out. Kabulan big init.
Kabulag sa init, nagpainting siya. Nagpainting siya guys. Oh. Ano color aniya? Shout mo brown daw. For this road project, coastal road project. Ay, dili tao lang di bagi andre yan oh.
Oh, tao.
Wapo kani pagagabi ba ang solar lights.
Oh, dire gabi. Bibo ka gabi.
Bibo diri magabi eh. Diya mga laag no. Oh, laag ko diri. Nara ko diga oh. O pwede ikulang terminal. Tao lang yun makaagi diri no.
Tao lang yun, dunay motor mo.
Lagi. Tao only human will allowed to walk here. To nice at night here. At night here, wala man magdugaw. talking with their girlfriend, this man. So, how is talking? Live video. How is talking? He's talking her girlfriend. And siya na room for rent. And she's Marites at Chismis. And he said, I will find a room for rent here. That man, he's talking her girlfriend. Brown hair by Katie and girlfriend video call. Working this area to be beautiful, beautification din dirian nila. Paggabi lang yung suroy diri, way mandung gabay diri ya. Dapat na security ha? wala daw. But no people stop here. Shout out kisa man. Look at this guy is bringing a rice cooker and talking against her girlfriend. I'm searching for a room here. I find a room already. That way. At may back ba. He's bringing a box of rice cooker. Look at this boat here. Ito Bukana. Alam mo, agi ko yan. Daghan kay badyaw day dito eh. Agi kuya. Building. Ang gana. This Bolton Bridge. What's happened to this road? Look at guys, this bridge also the Bolton Bridge. Beautification of this coastal road project. Beautification so. Guys, thanks for all watching. Kapoy kayo, daghan may badyaw dito yay.
Daghan day.
Mga bata, okay, wabili ko dala silsilyo. Puro sa gato, ay wako ko balik ra ko dito, magdala kong tinapay, daghan dito tinapay na bahaw sa office ha. Wa ko kabalo pa daghan may badyaw dito.
Daghan da. Side, daghan.
Yung wala ko nagdalag sisilyo gani. Sige pa kay mga madis. Thanks for watching guys. Love you all. Welcome. This is the Bukana Coastal Road Bridge Project. The Coastal Road.